Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download your Canva design as a PowerPoint file in both PPT and PPTX formats. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure you have your Canva presentation open in the editor. You should be able to see all your slides and design elements on your screen ready to work with. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to various sharing and exporting options that Canva offers, allowing you to distribute your work in different formats depending on your needs. Once you click Share, a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Download. This option specifically handles exporting your design into various file formats, making it easy to use your presentation outside of Canva's platform. After clicking Download, you'll see a new window or panel open up with different download settings. Here you need to locate the File Type drop-down menu. This is where Canva lets you choose exactly how you want your presentation to be saved. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available file format options. From the list of file types that appears, select PPTX, which stands for Microsoft PowerPoint. This format is the modern standard for PowerPoint presentations and is compatible with both newer and older versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, as well as other presentation software like Google Slides and Apple Keynote. Choosing this format ensures maximum compatibility across different platforms and devices. With your file type selected, you're now ready to export your design. Click the Download button that appears on the screen. Depending on the size and complexity of your presentation, Canva will begin processing your file. This usually takes just a few seconds, but larger presentations with lots of images or animations might take a bit longer. The system will automatically convert all your Canva design elements into PowerPoint-compatible format. Once the download completes, you'll need to locate the file on your computer. Open your browser's Downloads folder, which is typically found at the bottom of your browser window or in your File Explorer. Look for the PPTX file you just downloaded and double-click on it to open. The file will launch in Microsoft PowerPoint or whichever presentation software you have set as your default, and you'll be able to view, edit, and present your design just like any other PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Canva design as a PowerPoint file, ready to use in any presentation setting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.